Camping Solar Panel Foldable. Why choose JMUYTOP solar chargers? JMUYTOP single crystal dual USB solar charger has high conversion efficiency. The conversion efficiency is as high as 23%, while most similar products on the market are 15% or even lower. Whether you're charging a generator phone laptop or refueling a battery pack, solar power has you covered. Our foldable portable monocrystalline solar panels are robust, reliable, and easy to use. Take advantage of portable solar power wherever you are. Outdoor product. Equipped with a sturdy waterproof, shockproof, dustproof casing, suitable for outdoor use. Can also be attached to your spare car, bike, or tent when you're out and about enjoying the great outdoors. Broad compatibility. DC port, designed to charge laptops under 21V and 12V car batteries. USB ports, smartphones, tablets, iPads, external battery packs, or any other 5V USB charging gadget.